In today's video, I want to teach you a secret combination that gives you very accurate buy-sell signals. This trading strategy is suitable for scalping and day trading. Right now, we are on 1 minute time frame, and you can use this trading strategy in time frames up to 15 minutes. You can use this trading strategy on any asset or market, but the only requirement is high trading volume and liquidity, both in terms of the asset and the broker or exchange that you're trading, because the profit and loss that we're going to take are very small in terms of price movement, and we don't want to experience any unreal price gap or large spread between bid and ask prices that can damage our trade entry, stop loss, and profit. Alright, now we need to add our indicators. So here we click on indicators and we search MFI, this one, money flow index, and we add 2 MFI to our chart. After adding them to our charts, we need to give them some special settings and combine them together. First, we go to the settings of the MFI in the top, and here in the inputs tab, for the length we set it at 21, and then here in the style tab we change the color to white. We're done with the first MFI, and now we go to the settings of the second MFI. Here in the inputs tab, for the length we set it at 5, and then here in the style tab we change the color to red. Alright, we're done with the settings of the second MFI, and now we want to combine them together. Here for the shorter MFI, the MFI with length of 5, here we click on more and then move to, and then we click on existing pane above, and then for the same MFI, the short MFI with length of 5, again we click on more, then in the pen to scale we click on pen to scale A. Alright, now the two MFIs are combined together, and let's see how we trade based on this setup. We use the longer MFI, the white MFI, for identifying the current trend of the market. When it's above the center line, the market is trending up, and when it's below the center line, the market is trending down. And then by the help of shorter MFI, the red MFI, we discover buy-sell signals. When the white MFI is above the center line, we focus on long position signals. We only try to find long position opportunities because we want to enter in the current direction of the market. We wait for the times that the short MFI, the red MFI, goes below the center line, and then it turns back and crosses back above the white MFI. When this crossing happens, the white MFI should be still above the center line. When the red MFI successfully crossed above the white MFI, the buy signal is confirmed, and we can enter a long position at this point when this new candle is opened. The stop loss below the previous swing low, and the profit for this trade at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. After this trade, here you can see that red MFI again went below the center line, and then it crossed above the white line here. So another long position can be opened here as the new candle is opened. Although we don't see any upside momentum in the candles, but MFI is an indicator that also considers volume, and it tries to track the money flow in the market. So when we have a buy signal based on this setup, behind the scene the buying volume is probably building, although not shown in the form of increased momentum yet. And you can see that this trade was also a profitable trade in a later time. After this trade, another buying signal we had here, where the red MFI again went below the center line, and then it turns back and crosses above the white line at this point. So another long position could be opened here as the new candle is opened, and this was also a profitable signal as you can see. But for this crossover signal here, this is not a confirmed signal, because as I said before the crossing, the red MFI should go below center line, and this is not the case here. Moving on the chart, you can see that here red MFI went below the center line, and after that it turned up and crossed above the white MFI at this point. So another long position could be opened as this new candle was opened, and this is also a profitable trade as you can see. Moving on the chart, another long position opportunity we have here, which is a confirmed buy signal. So another long position could be open at this point, and this signal is also a profitable signal as you can see. Again, the red MFI went below the center line, and then it crossed above white line here. So we have another confirmed buy signal, and we can enter a long position at this point when this new candle is opened, and this trade is also a profitable trade as you can see. The good point about this trading strategy is that it gives us early signals, because the indicator tracks the volume behind the scene. You can see that we got the confirmed signal here at this point, but the candle is just a small red candle and not having a bullish momentum yet. Alright, moving on the chart, from here the market is reversing down, and we don't have any false buy signals here during the reversal point of the market. And from this point, the white MFI is below the center line, which shows a downtrend, so we focus on short position signals. In this situation, we wait for the times that red MFI goes above the center line, and then it crosses below the white MFI. One successful crossing we had here, so in practice we would enter a short position at this point when this new candle was closed, or here when this new candle was opened. The stop loss above the previous swing high, and this trade is also a profitable trade as you can see, reaching to our expected target of 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Moving on the chart, after this trade, again you can see that the red MFI went above the center line line and then it crossed below the white MFI here at this point. So another short position could be opened here as this new candle was opened, and this is also a profitable signal as you can see. And for this case, this downside crossover that we have here, this is not a confirmed signal because before that the red MFI didn't go above the center line. This trading strategy is very accurate in finding the exact momentum where a buying or selling volume is building, and as you saw, we can have many profitable signals, but please pay attention that like any other trading strategy, this one also gives you false signals. There is no trading strategy with 100% guaranteed signals, so you need to manage your risk properly. There is a risk management strategy that is called 1% rule, and it's a perfect choice for scalping and day trading. I have a complete guide on this. The link is also placed in the description, and I highly recommend you to watch it because without a proper risk management strategy, you cannot become a successful trader. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video and good luck with your trading.